Alrighty, party people. Yes, I think I've figured out the basics of what I need to figure out. I've got it set on ultra low latency mode. Things are good. Yeah. Obviously a little bumpy getting off the ground, but that's okay. Yeah. We're doing good. So I'm going to try not to mess anything up here. I, again, am just learning kind of the basics of, like, I know some HTML, some CSS, and I guess a little bit of JavaScript. I've actually done, like, a tiny little bit of PHP. I know a little bit of Python. I know a bit of Vex for Houdini. Yeah, so I'm not entirely unfamiliar with the ideas involved in coding, the different types. You know, I get the whole booleans and arrays and variables, and to a lesser extent, I understand functions, and to an even lesser extent, I understand classes, i.e. objects. I get, I understand that there are things that I don't understand. I know enough to know that. Yeah. So, come with me. Honestly, what I've been doing is just sitting down at the end of the night and dabbling. So I have a project that I'm working on, but for the moment, I'm still just trying to figure stuff out in a very fundamental level. So, you're just going to see me stumble through some stuff. React 3 next. Hold on. I don't even know what I'm doing here. Let's do yarn dev run, right? No. Yarn run? I don't know. Or wait a minute. What's here? npm run dev. Was that a thing? That's a thing. Okay. All right. So I started out with this next three. Is this it? No, hold on. React 3. No, hold on. Next, Tailwind and 3. Okay, let's try that. Yeah, I started out with this project, and I'm just barely getting through it. So I've got Willkommen a Bakustan, and I'm just kind of a weirdo, I guess. My project is going to be Danger Noodle, and again, I'm just kind of a goober, so I'm messing with stuff. This is the first time that I have. Oh, wait a minute. No, I've used a nav element or nav bar. Maybe it's just nav. Hold on. Nav HTML. There's a nav tag in HTML that I've never used. Let's play with that. Instead of div, what if I do nav? Right? Let's try it. Nav. Like, this is where I am. We're talking baby steps. Okay, did that make any difference? I've also been having a thing where this is not updating. So, like, let's change something real obvious here. I'll save it, and it's not updating on this side. So there's that. I don't think it's a cache thing, because even in incognito, it's not happening. So I don't know. I need to figure that out. You want to come with me while I figure that out? Of course you do. Let's see here. I know this is riveting content. This is what you've signed up for. Let's see here. VS Code React not updating. React app browser's not refresh. You're probably looking for React Hot Loader. I don't think we need this. Okay. Fast refresh. So let's do React fast refresh. Not working. I don't know. That's so weird though. I thought it was like a native thing. Development server. npm start. React 17 problem is page just okay. Terminal is compiling. You don't see the changes on the browser. I see compiling, but then I see an event. You should try adding a .env in the root path of the project and add fast refresh false. Hot refresh was replaced for fast refresh by default. Okay, so, all right. Well, let's try that. So new file, .env, and then we're going to do fast refresh false. Okay. Maybe I need to kill that and then do that. But wait a minute, hold on. Just a second. So I've stopped the development server. And then I reload. Okay, so all right, we're good. So npm run dev, I think, is what I need to hit. Okay. Okay, so at least we have this now. But I don't want to restart the server every time. Maybe that has something to do with it. Invalid DOM property class. Did you mean class name? Hold on. I wonder if I can do this. No. At h1 navbar at dom at div at dom webpack internal. The fuck? Well, that's nothing I've modified, so let's go back to this. Let's see if this can refresh. Okay. Interesting. So I wonder what... That's an interesting little doohickey. The fuck? What if I refresh this? Seriously? I don't understand. I don't understand. And see, even when I do incognito, it doesn't show up. So it's something over here. Fuck. Disables experimental support for fast refresh and later. Remember to restart the app. I thought I did that. Let's hold on. let's try npm start. See what that does. Okay, so it can't do it based on this stuff, and that's fine. So okay. Okay, well it did that. Will it do it again? Seriously? It only does one update? Well, that's silly. The watcher doesn't see us. Oh, okay, let's try yarn dev. A whole new world. Okay, so that'll work once. Does this still work? No, it doesn't. What the fuck? Well, this sucks. Okay. See, this is the kind of stuff I'm dealing with right now. Okay. And then let's just... I think I'm going to start over with the React app. And then what I'm going to do is... I'm still in this. Okay, so I am going to... And then what do I do? You go to yarn creator. Let's try that. All right. I think I'm going to have to stop this at 9 or else I'm going to keep on going. And it's 9:02 now. Let me see if I can just cd my app. And then we'll do yarn dev. And this should just be the default, this guy. We should see this over here in just a second. Okay. So, I want to see if just straight out of the box, this works like I think it should. And now I understand enough to actually, this is not the right environment here. Don't save. Now I understand enough to start playing it just a little tiny bit. Source, components, DOM, instructions. So, where are the controls? Default, blah, 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 blah. Wait, where did it say that? This is middle start. Okay. This is some updated text. So I'm going to save it. It should update. It should update. What the fuck? Well, I'm going to have to... Oh. Sure. Why not? Oh, okay, cool. All right, so that's installing extensions, looks like for Three.js. And I don't know where my terminal went, but whatever. So I'm going to do yarn dev. Again, I have no idea why that closed, but all right. Oh, you know why? Because I guess I moved the workbench. And that closed the terminal. I guess that makes sense. So, hooray. Let's see if it'll continue updating. How about now? So far, so good. Even now. Boom! Okay. Well then, I've spent my time getting stuff less broken. Do something fun with this now. All right. Well, I think that's a pretty decent start for whatever this is. Love you all. And I'm just trying to find my, here we go, my doodad. All right. Anyway. Bye.